This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and plan compatibility. A phone that supports Airtel 5G bands and an active 5G plan. Once done, power cycle the device after inserting the Airtel SIM to refresh network provisioning. Next, enable mobile data and turn off Wi-Fi so you see pure cellular behavior. Make sure airplane mode is briefly toggled if registration stalls, then disable it to force reattach. These initial steps get the network handshake going and prepare you for locking to 5G. You now change the preferred network type. Go into Settings, Network and Internet, then Mobile Network to set preferred network to 5G only. If your UI lacks 5G only, choose LTE/5G automatic, then use the manual network selector to prioritize Airtel. For deeper control on many Androids, use the testing menu *4636 #, or the carrier settings update to expose radio options. Make sure to apply changes and wait for registration. This ensures the modem prefers 5G cells from Airtel rather than falling back. Finish by confirming you're on Airtel 5G. Look for the 5G icon and run a speed test with Wi-Fi disabled. If you see frequent fallback to 4G, toggle the network mode briefly, manually reselect Airtel, and ensure the APN is default for your plan. If problems remain, reboot, try the SIM in another 5G phone, then contact Airtel support with your IMEI and SIM number so they can check provisioning or band locks. Quick tip, reapplying carrier updates often resolves hidden registration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.